What's up, Forge Nation? Today we are up in Warner Springs, California. We're gonna have a little head-to-head battle between Freedom Street Garage's Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing with the 6.2 liter hand-built supercharged V8, or our very own Ram 1500 TRX that we call Chaos, with the Hellcat underneath the hood, weighing over 7,000 pounds, can go off-roading like no other truck out there, and can also tow over 12,000 pounds, which this one just can't do any of that. Now this could go over 110 miles per hour, go 0 to 60 in around 4 seconds or sub 4 seconds, and is just an absolute epitome of luxury. I know what you're thinking, this bad boy isn't gonna stand a chance, but I'll bet you it'll come close. This is a head-to-head battle between our Ram 1500 TRX and Freedom Street Garage's Cadillac Blackwing. I jumped a little bit, but that thing just came like a rocket ship past me. Oh man, that was closer than I thought it would be, but at an 8th mile, that thing's insane. Yeah, but can you tow 12,000 pounds? Can you put anything in the back of your truck bed? Can you go off-roading?
Can you go faster than 110?
No. I can't. I did get a little bit of a jump, but I feel like I needed it. So, chasing is racing. When we first got in, and before we even started racing, I didn't think that this thing had a chance.
Yeah, I mean,
almost 700 horsepower, half the weight, just goes over 110 miles an hour. But off the line, 4-wheel drive really kicked in and propelled us at least a car length ahead of you.
Yeah, I mean, that's really a testament to like how good this thing gets off the line.
Yeah, launch mode is real. I may have jumped it just slightly, but I needed that advantage because carrying a lot of extra weight and 37-inch tires. And then all of a sudden out of the corner of my eye, it was like you're like, all right, I want to show you what this thing can do. Yeah. And just freaking ripped by me in the last probably 100 yards. It just flew past.
And what's crazy is I had them massage seats going just the whole time.
Yeah, well, I could tow this thing back for you if you'd like, and another car and 2 other cars on top of it if you really wanted to. If you want to win this Cadillac CT5-V, go to freedomstreetgarage.com, or if you want to win our Ram 1500 TRX that we call Chaos, go to forge4x4.com. You will have the chance of a lifetime to choose between this beast or a supercharged with a brand new Whipple, first ever Gen 5 supercharger on our Jeep Wrangler 392 that we call Hades. Go to forge4x4.com to get your entries to win.